Today, we begin the story of the Indus River, born from ice, shaping lands, lives, and history. Near Mount Kailash, deep in Tibet, a river is born, destined to shape land, power, and civilizations. The Indus tears through the Karakoram and Himalayas, carving stone, ice, and time itself. Crossing into Pakistan, the Indus explodes into Gilgit-Baltistan, carrying power from frozen peaks to living valleys. Along its banks, generations live with the river, shaping their lives around its rhythm and power. Here, the Indus gave birth to one of humanity's earliest civilizations, shaping cities, trade, and organized life. Through canals and control, the Indus transforms wild floods into life, feeding millions across the land. Massive dams tame the Indus, turning relentless flow into energy that powers a nation. Beyond humans, the Indus sustains rare wildlife, migratory birds, and the world's endangered river dolphin.
Rising global temperatures destabilize the Indus, transforming ancient glaciers into powerful and unpredictable flood forces.
When floods strike, the Indus turns from lifeline into destruction, swallowing homes, roads, and entire communities. When the waters vanish, the Indus exposes a harsher reality, leaving fields barren and lives uncertain. Even after disaster, river communities rebuild, adapt, and rise, refusing to surrender to nature's extremes.
Across Pakistan, the Indus is monitored carefully, balancing nature's power while protecting communities and vital resources.
From the Indus, lifelines spread across Pakistan, feeding fields, sustaining crops, and securing food for millions. The Indus fuels Pakistan's power, turning flowing water into energy that lights cities and drives industry. Along the Indus, daily life unfolds, where water shapes work, culture, and generations of human connection. Beyond human life, the Indus supports rare wildlife, sheltering birds, fish, and the endangered river dolphin. Thousands of years ago, the Indus nurtured great civilizations, shaping early cities, culture, and organized human life.
Thing lately. The audio features a voiceover narration. The speaker, whose voice is clear and has a forward-moving tone, says,
Climate change intensifies the Indus, bringing unpredictable floods, testing resilience, preparation, and long-term water management. Advanced science now tracks the Indus, improving forecasts, early warnings, and smarter water management across Pakistan. Flowing beyond borders, the Indus demands cooperation, shared responsibility, and balanced decisions for regional water security. For future generations, the Indus remains a living legacy, demanding care, wisdom, and after a long journey, the Indus finally meets the sea, completing a cycle of movement, life, and balance.
Subscribe to Urdu Mind for more amazing videos.